Crispy baked sweet potato fries. A healthy twist on a classic. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're ditching the deep fryer and making a healthier but equally delicious alternative. Crispy baked sweet potato fries. These fries are perfect for a satisfying snack, a fun side dish, or even a healthier alternative to regular fries for movie night. They're packed with nutrients from the sweet potatoes, and with a few simple tricks, we can achieve that amazing crispy texture we all love. So grab your aprons and let's get baking. Ingredients. All right, for this recipe, we'll need 2 large sweet potatoes, around 1 pound total, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch or arrowroot powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, optional, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. That's it. Just a handful of ingredients for a delicious and healthy treat. Preparation. Now, let's get started on prepping our fries. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. This ensures the fries cook evenly and get nice and crispy. While your oven is heating up, wash and dry your sweet potatoes. We don't need to peel them for this recipe, but feel free to do so if you prefer. Now comes the fun part, cutting the fries. There are 2 schools of thought here, thick cut or thin cut. Thick cut fries tend to be a bit softer in the center, while thin cut fries get crispier all around. For this recipe, I'm going for a happy medium. We'll cut the sweet potatoes into sticks that are roughly 1/4 inch thick and 2 and 3 inches long. Consistency and size is key here, so your fries cook evenly. Once you've finished cutting your sweet potatoes, place them in a large bowl. The soak. Here's a step that's optional, but can help achieve extra crispy fries. Soaking. Some people swear by soaking the sweet potato fries in cold water for 30 minutes to an hour. This helps remove some of the starch, which can prevent them from crisping up properly. If you have the time, go for it. But if you're short on time, you can skip this step, and your fries will still turn out delicious. Seasoning and coating. After soaking or skipping the soak, drain the sweet potatoes thoroughly and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Excess moisture is the enemy of crispy fries. Now it's time to add some flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together the olive oil, cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme, if using. Pour this mixture over the sweet potato fries and toss them gently but thoroughly to make sure each fry is evenly coated. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Baking. Now comes the baking magic. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the fries from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Spread the seasoned sweet potato fries in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Don't overcrowd the pan, or your fries will steam instead of crisp up. Leave some space between each fry for optimal air circulation. Bake the fries in the preheated oven for 20-25 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy on the edges. You can check on them halfway through and flip them gently with a spatula to ensure even cooking. The final touches. Once your fries are beautifully golden brown and crispy, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes before serving. This allows them to firm up and become even crispier. Serve your sweet potato fries hot with your favorite dipping sauces like ketchup, mayonnaise, sriracha mayo, or even a healthy avocado crema. Advantages. Now, let's talk about why these baked sweet potato fries are such a great option. Healthier. Compared to deep fried fries, baked sweet potato fries are significantly lower in fat and calories. They're also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Easy to make. This recipe requires minimal ingredients and just a handful of steps. They're perfect for a quick and easy snack or side dish. Customizable. Feel free to experiment with different seasonings. You can add a kick of chili powder, a smoky touch with smoked paprika, or even a cheesy flavor with nutritional yeast. Dietary friendly. These fries are naturally gluten-free and vegan, making them a great option for people with dietary restrictions. There you have it, folks. Crispy baked sweet potato fries that are healthy, delicious, and easy to make. They're a perfect way to satisfy your cravings without all the guilt. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below how they turn out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipe ideas. Thanks for watching.